Saturday morning, and I'm hoping today we'll make some more progress with the jakes. And I'm still really annoyed and upset that I couldn't end the last video with jake brake noises. I got a message off Mark Powell. Obviously I drove his EC11 a few videos ago, and it has jake brakes on. Sent a video of leaving here. So, I'm going off to Josh's, Carlisle. Get the jake brakes programmed. I'll expect some videos on the way home. So, of course. And I got a message the next night. He went, "How'd jake brakes go?" And I messaged him back and went, "Crap," as you probably guessed. Right, I'm hoping that I plunked you in the right place. Hang on. I don't know, have I? If I do that, I plunked it on my head. So you should be seeing what I'm seeing. You should see my hands. First off, now carbs up. I'm gonna check off the wiring. Jump up here. This is the jake wiring that we put in. I'm gonna continually check the earth. 99% sure that's the jake brake. It makes sense, this. That's a you that I've been kissing, saying, "Oh, I'm never gonna quit. There's nothing wrong with it. Just acting like you're animals." No, come back here, as I want to get to that pin. Can't you check that? That should have. Alright. Okay. This is it. So this side's okay, I think. Because this wiring looks funky. What I might do is look at the state of it's wrapped up in tape. Like, why is it wrapped up in tape? I'm tempted to make a new earth loom up. That's the power lead there, that's the power in. So that one there, I'll cut that off. I might just make a new one of them. That's also, it gets rid of that. It's gonna get me snips. So come on baby, get in. Look up to the skies and see. And just a poor. I'll make new looms, and hopefully everything should sort of. Right. Okay, yeah, that's one loom. Ow. All this old wiring might just be enough to stop things working properly. I don't want to make new ones of them because they're proper ones. That does look a bit dirty, man. What I might do is clean that up as well. But I'll make a new earth loom because I'm also not that impressed with that. Like, why did that plug? I can use this plug again. Now I'll put a new pin in it and stuff, and a new wire. But why did that run from there to there? Unless that's number one. But there again, it switches alive, so it shouldn't matter. So I'll just make it. I'll make a nice loom. Yep, I'll do that. So I've got me wire for making my strap up, because I wasn't happy with the original one. I was filming it on my head mount. I don't know if it's worked, so I'll find out in the edit. So I've made my new loom, my new earth wires up. I don't know. I've taken my jake brake live loom off. I'm going to take the rocker cover off and check the wires in here. So I didn't really want to take my rocker cover off, but it is what it is. This seems so backwards. I'm going to pull it all apart again, but one of those things. I'm going to think about replacing these, making new ones, because they're not great. And when I'm trying to find out why she's drawing too much current, it does look nice though. Look how clean that oil is in there. I know it's dirty, but it's clean. So I've checked the resistance of the. Run it up so you can see. I hope. Checking the resistance of the solenoids, and they're sitting at 34 ohms each, which is fine, I think. So this is my new wiring looms made for inside the head onto the jake. So that's them done. I'm going to get the ultrasonic cleaned all the wiring loom. So hopefully that's those bits checked off. Fingers crossed it should work. Torquing off the cover up now. 6. 7. New wiring was made, it's all tied up. I've checked it, resistance, checked them all, and they're within tolerances, I think. Next thing would be pin out the ECU, but I don't really have time to do that today. And it's a pain in the arse because it's not the plug you can get to, it's the one on the back. So yeah, I'm just going to drop the cab down, run her, and see whether she'll pick up, or whether it works, or whether it still throws the engine light in. And if it still doesn't work, I'm going to have to look at the ECU with more wiring loom stuff. On another note, I don't know whether I've ever shown you guys these. I got a good Scrapyard score the other day. Set of Hello Jumbo 220s, fog lights. One's missing the bracket, so I'm going to have to see if I can get one of them sorted. And missing one of the covers, but what is that? Winner! I am the happiest person in the world right now. Oh mate, oh. Oh, you have no idea how happy I am. You probably still know how happy I am, but I am so stupidly happy. Right, I go this way. This way, and then I go through the middle of Hexham. Yeah, that's good. Working, absolutely buzzing. I'm so happy they're working, and the work meant genuinely do. I had that. So I filmed this last bit that you've just watched using the Jakes on Saturday. Yeah, but then I've been working on Marty's 770, so I've been neglecting doing anything with this. Marty's 770 is done, which will be the previous video before this one, where I done loads of work on a Scania, getting it ready to take it to drifter style, which was, he's away there now, he's over in Ireland now. He took it away here from here 10 o'clock last night, so 10 o'clock on the 10th. But yeah, if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link up here. But, so Jake's working, absolutely, I can't believe that, I'm so happy with that. I think the next jobs I'm not going to be in this video, but I'm going to show you what's coming up next. I think the next jobs I want to do, get my Hella Jumbos, get them cleaned up and fitted, because up the fogs go the outside and the spots up. I got some spots I'm going to put on the inside as well. I want to put my lollipops in the middle of the bumper. I am also in the middle of repairing a new airbox that I got off Josh Miller, so I'll quickly come and show you that. So here's the airbox, being blasted. It needs a little few repairs. I'll repair this bit, which is a fortune, and this bit which I'm going to repair now, but not in this video. I'm going to start the next video right now. I'll wash it and you might know what I'm going to do with that. So I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did enjoy watching, please hit that subscribe button and come along for the journey playing with lorries and restoring stuff. Thank you for watching. Ta-ra for now.